that the focused and high prioritized groups are getting covered as well. I'm pleased to inform in this gathering that an application received from Moderna through an Indian subsidiary, Indian partner of theirs, namely Cipla, has been granted new drug permission for restricted use, which is commonly known as emergency use authorization. So new drug permission has been granted to Moderna. This is the first internationally developed vaccine for which now such permission exists today. And as I said, this new drug permission for restricted use, which is the other name for emergency use authorization, is now in operation. And this potentially opens up a clear possibility, clear likelihood of this vaccine being imported into India in near future. There must be other formalities that they have to follow, but a very important licensure has been now given. So now there are 4 vaccines with such licensure: Covaxin, Covishield, Sputnik, and Moderna. So our vaccine basket is now richer by this addition. As we have informed here, our efforts to invite and to have other internationally developed vaccines, specifically Pfizer and J&J, also continue. Those processes are on. And also, we are looking forward to increased production and availability of our own vaccines that are being manufactured already in our country. And we look forward to the vaccination program gaining further momentum from the existing rising momentum, further momentum toward coverage of the larger and larger population in every part of our country in a significant way. We are also happy to note today that the participation of rural population is to the tune of 56%, urban 44%. That should also reassure that the spread of coverage is equity driven as well. We would like to see increased proportion of women coming to the vaccination booths for receiving the vaccine, and this little skew in the vaccination coverage by gender should also get corrected soon.